There's a cold start. Sunroof. Very nice. We got a couple little things. Put this back. It's pretty cold outside right now. It's a little cold start for this is C-Class 250 luxury, 2014 for the year. What do you think? In the comments, what do you think? 1 through 10, do you think this is luxurious? You know, I bought this for the dealership and it's always had the engine light on. I always try to figure out what's wrong with it, but it seems like there's nothing wrong with it. Just maybe it's a little wire. I don't know. But there's a cold start for the Mercedes. It's pretty cold right now. I might as well back it up. We're gonna back it up a little bit. Oh yeah, we got the Mercedes cup holder. Oh yeah, Mercedes bought that too. Have to get all Mercedes, right? Pretty cold outside. Just a couple things we gotta get done with the car. Haven't really drove it. Only do it for errands. Besides that, it's a perfect little car. Never really had problems with it. Just oil, blinkers, dirty all the time because of my kid. Well, there you go. Maybe we get another tutorial on something else. We gotta get a couple things done though. We need to get light bulb on this. There's always been a missing airbag, so the airbag's missing out of that. I don't know what happened there, but yep, there we go. It's actually pretty nice. Probably move this back for my girl. Well, you guys have a good night. Bye-bye.